Get it out. Good. Here. Nice. Up mo ito. Sige, diretso yung tuhod. Up. Sige, kamusta yan? Mabigat, may ngalay, masikip.
Mabigat po na nangangalay.
Okay, kabila. Yun, kamusta?
Mabigat lang po.
Okay, sige. Ang normal is about here. How's this? Masikip.
Masigit po.
Okay, sige. Down. Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Get it out. Good. Here. Nice. Kamusta?
Oo naman po.
Narinig mo yun? Masakit ba?
Hindi naman po.
Okay. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Good. Last one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Close it up. Relax it up. Good one. Nice. You good?
Oo naman po.
Next is for our sacrum. This one, upper or inner side or lower side. This time, sabay mo siyang itataas. Go up. Sige, diretso yung tuhod. Yan, tataas ko. Ikaw, bigasan mo. Yon, good one. Nice. Saan mo siya naramdaman? More of here or here or here?
Dito, parang dito ganda.
Right. Alright. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Down. Wow. Down, down, down again. Very nice. And last one. Alright. Next, sa middle, thoracic. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Hinga. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Last one, hinga. Exhale. Good. Nice. How is it?
Oo naman.
Good. Sige, relax ang shoulder again. Hinga. Exhale down. Good. Okay, so tight here. So once okay ito at tight, ang lagi nating i-check with your CT junction or thoracic to cervical junction. Hinga. Exhale. Good one. Okay, so tight. This one. Okay, I will fold this one. C7 and P1. Ready? Inhale. Exhale, relax your shoulder. Down, down, down. Good one. Good. Hinga. Exhale, relax your shoulder. Good one. Nice. Okay?
Oo.
Any pain?
Wala naman.
Nice. Ready? Taas mo ito. Sige, up. How is it now?
Oo naman po.
Mas magaan?
Magaan po siya.
Kabila. Oh, see this? How is it?
Mas okay po.
Nice. Ibaba ang siko. Yan. Alright. Hinga. Exhale. Nice. That's it. Sige. Let's see. Good. Okay, clear. This one. Good. Alright, clear. Now this. Good. Cuboid. Okay? Relax mo itong legs. Go up, up, up. Oh, relax. Nice. Oh, nice. Turn in. Relax. Good one. Nice. Burn. Sige. Hold this. Good one. Okay. Push it. Clear. Clear. Good one. And down, down, down. Nice. Here. Alright. Here. Okay. Nice. Okay. Ito yung pinaka-sign and warning sign ng ating knee and fibula and tibia na merong something wrong. So what we're going to do is reduction. At kailangan mong palakasin or strengthening with your main muscle support, quads and calf muscles. Since nandun na siya sa injury, I will push it up. Good, nararamdaman mo yan. Okay? Relax. I will push and hold the line. Good one. Good one. Nice one. And then we have to stretch it. Good one. 5, 4, 2, and 1. Okay? Good. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Down, down, down. So, 1. How's this?
Ay, masakit.
Masakit. Okay, number 2.
Hindi.
Same. Number 3. 4. 5.
Yan.
Okay, traps muscles.
Yan po masakit.
Acromion here. Masakit din. 1,
Wala lang.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Wala lang.
Sensitive, no? Lahat. Oh, see this one. Traps.
Sa atin po.
Meron din. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Good one.
Dami.
Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Good. Bouncing it again. Good one. Nice.
Gulat ako dyan.
Okay. This is the safest way and fastest way to release those muscle compression. Okay? Up pa. Hanggang sa akin. Sige, go. Yon. Sideward down. Very nice. Okay? Tigasan mo ang iyong shoulder, traps. Labanan mo ang aking pagpindot. Ready? Go up. Sige. Laban, laban, laban. Hanggang taas. Sige, taas pa. Good. And then sideward down. Opening ng traps muscles. Yung. Kamusta yun? Relax na yung kamay. Relax na. Go. See the difference now? How is it now?
Mas okay po.
Mas loose. Mas malambot na rin yung
Apo.
muscles mo. Sige, up, downside. See? Kamusta ang pakiramdam?
Mas gumamo siya.
Kanina ay sensitive, right? On number 1, how's this now?
Okay.
Good. Number 2,
Yan, medyo onti lang.
konti na lang. Itong number 3 kanina, masakit, diba?
Apo.
Sige, see.
Onti na lang din po.
Nice. Number 4.
Yan, medyo onti.
5.
Wala.
Traps muscles. Acromion.
Medyo meron.
Okay, so ito, i-release natin yan later on. Okay? Kasama na yan sa rotator cuff natin. How's this?
Wala.
2,
Medyo po.
3,
Wala.
4,
Yan, meron.
5,
Wala.
and here. Here.
Wala.
And here.
Yan, medyo meron.
Okay. Very good naman ito. This is our right side. Good one. Okay, here. Okay. Elbow. Ano nangyari dito? Meron ba tong problem dati?
Wala naman po.
Okay. Here. Hindi lang siya proportion sa twisting. Okay? Here. Short. Good. Okay? Good. Pigil. Lakas. Good. Oh, very firm naman. Ready? Go. Push, push, push. Very good. Nice. Relax. Turn. Good. Nice. Relax. Snap, snap, snap. Relax it down. Snap, snap, snap. Good one. Ooh. Ready? 1. Sige, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kamusta?
Okay naman po.
Turn to your right. Kamusta yung dito?
Wala naman. Okay.
Up. Yun. Sige, go up. How's it now?
Okay naman. Hindi
Okay.
katulad kanina, medyo
May
masikip
tension at masikip. Yuko. Okay, I'll push you. How's this?
Ayan. Okay na, Dok.
Good one. Here. Up. Dikit sa tenga. Diretso yung ulo. How is it now?
Okay na, Dok.
Mas magaan?
Mas magang. Tsaka nawala yung titing parang pupuli ka ating ka.
Yeah. Now, lagpas sa tenga. Diretso yung ulo. Yan. Kamusta?
Yeah.
May effort ka pa? Wala na masyado.
Okay naman ako.
Mas magaan?
Mas magaan daw.
Okay, good. Last one. Oh, yun. Very good. Kamusta yung nagka-cramps dito?
Okay naman. Nawala na. Dito kasi kanina, Dok, meron talaga.
Mas loose na siya. Ngayon, check natin yung tuhod mo.
Sige.
Now, down. Up. Kamusta?
Okay.
All the way down. Sige, again. Yung pinaka-down. Up. Kamusta yun?
Okay.
Good. Anong feeling?
Mas nadadown ko siya kaysa nung... Kasi dati, Dok, nasusubukan ko yan. Medyo wala sa balance talaga.
Yes.
Pero
Saka,
ngayon,
nararamdaman mo yung quads, specific
Oo,
na
okay.
nagkakaroon ng weakness.
Weakness po. Hi, Rock Nation. I'm Francis Clarino. Thank you kay Doc na nakapagpa-release and umokay yung pakiramdam ko
Nice.
after ng session. Shoutout lang sa Sarangani team.
Sa Nungani team. Ayan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. I hope na ma-meet ko kayo soon katulad ng mga Cotabato Warriors, Marikina, and San Juan. Okay? Thank you so much for trusting.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.